Welcome to Music Lessons with Mrs. Morris. Today we are going to learn about the elements of music. The elements of music are the building blocks that make music interesting. When combined together, they can make music sound amazing. Let's take a look at each element, its definition, and how it works in music. Melody is a series of notes connected together to express one idea. In classical music, an organized melody is called a theme. A composer is considered successful when the listener continues to remember the melody even when the song is over, like the song you just listened to. Harmony is when two or more notes are played together. If you were looking at a music score, you would see these organized groups of notes stacked on top of each other to create a chord. Chords can have a major, minor, or even dissonant sounds that can set the mood of a song, making it sound happy, sad, or even dreamy. Rhythm is music's way of telling time. It is the organization of a variety of beats that create rhythm. Rhythm makes people want to tap their feet, clap their hands, or just get up and dance. Wow, that was a lot of fun, but I have a lot more musical elements to teach you about, so let's move on. Meter tells us how many beats there are in a measure, such as 3/4 time. 3/4 time gets 3 beats in a measure. It is the type of music you would hear in a waltz, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 4/4 time or common time is most often used in music. You can hear this meter in a composition for a marching band. Tempo determines how fast or slow a song will go. It is the heartbeat or the pace of music. Italian words are used to describe the various tempo markings. Largo means slow, and presto means fast. And of course, there are several other tempo markings in between. The tempo of music will help to determine the emotion of the music. Slower music might make a person feel sleepy or sad, but fast music will make people feel joyful or happy, or maybe want to get up and dance again. Combining rhythms, meter, and tempo together can create many different styles of music. The combinations are limitless. Dynamics tell us how loud or soft to play music. Italian words are used again to describe how music should be played. A word like pianissimo tells us that we should play the music very soft. And a word like mezzo forte means to play the music medium loud. You might also see a sign that looks like a V on its side, and that means crescendo, or get louder. Timbre is an interesting word. It looks like the word timber, but it's pronounced timbre. Timbre is the characteristic sound that distinguishes one instrument from another instrument. For example, what sound do you hear playing right now? If you guessed flute, you are correct. Texture is an interesting element as well. Texture combines melody, harmonies, rhythms, and timbres to create an overall sound of a piece of music. And our last element is form. Form is the roadmap of music. One of the most common forms is ABA form, and is heard in many kinds of music, from jazz to classical to even pop music. But we will learn more about that in a future lesson. Thank you for joining me for Music Lessons with Mrs. Morris. I hope to see you again soon.
Do, mi, so, mi, do. missing solfege.